Hey guys, today we're doing Jamaican pepper pot soup. This is a live stream video edit. Some use cow foot and salted beef. Of course, me use a pressure cooker because me not have all day for stand up over the meat. I add them seasoning to the pressure cooker because you want it to pressure with flavor. So you know pepper pot soup green, so now me just blend up my spinach and kale and add that to the boiling water. Now me peel the ground provision and put it aside. Now we're done pressuring the meat, so we add that to the pot. And once it starts boil, we just add the cocoa and the yam. We'll roll up the spinners and add that. Then we add the coconut milk. We start seasoning it with thyme, with pimento. We add some scallion, garlic, and chicken noodle. You can add some chicken noodle and just allow it to cook down, you know, to the consistency that you like. And that is it, guys. Pepper pot, quick and easy. Now guys, for everybody in the comment asking me to